Hi guys, here we are at Beverley North Level Crossing in Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. The other one's not started yet, Joe. Oh no, it has. There we go. Now, the time is 10:34 on Saturday the 6th of August 2016. This is for Touch ID work. It's like back slammed on the floor. Right, anyway, this is for the 10:36 Juliet 25 Northern Service from Bridlington to Sheffield. Thought the camera's out of focus then. No, it's not. Oh, God. Yeah. It's very bent there.
This does remind me of Newark Castle, coming from the station, then coming up here, it's like this. That so does remind me of Newark Castle, honestly. And kind of Booton. When you look at the lights over there.
And also with lots of trees there.
Just imagine, the blue, if this crossing actually, did this Newark Castle sequence. Yeah, like this. It does like a really slow Ralston sequence, doesn't it? It's like this. It's like this. It's like this. Isn't it?
It actually does it slightly different than that. I'll kind of show you in a bit.
Ralston does this.
I don't know why they need to like sort themselves out. Why don't they just do the Boston all the time or the Baffle?
Boston? I don't know. 158901 back.
158901 back. 158901 and
via Beverley, Hull, and Doncaster they go.
Thanks guys.